Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Timeless Tales English, where learning English is simple, natural, and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hi, everyone. It's so great to be here with you today. I'm feeling really good.
I'm happy to hear that, Daniel. You look very energetic today. You have a big smile on your face.
Yes, I do. I had my coffee, the sun is shining, and I'm ready to talk. How are you today, Emma?
I'm okay, but I feel a little slow today. My eyes are kind of tired.
Oh no, why are you tired? Did you sleep well?
I slept okay, but I went to bed very late last night. I was watching a movie, then reading a book, and suddenly it was 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Wow, that's very late. I was already sleeping at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.? That's so early. You're like a grandfather, Daniel.
Maybe, but I love the morning. I love waking up early.
And I love the night. I love the quiet and the moon.
That's perfect, because that's our topic today.
Yes, today we're talking about being a morning person or a night person.
This is a very common topic in English conversation.
But before we start, let's say something to our listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcasts, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Tales English. We want to make many more videos for you.
And if you know someone who is learning English, share this episode with them. Learning with a friend is more fun. Okay, Daniel, you said you sleep at 10 p.m. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. every day, even on weekends.
6 a.m.? That sounds scary.
Why? It's beautiful. The world is quiet. I get up, drink a big glass of water, then have coffee.
Water first, not coffee?
Yes, water first. Then I open the window, feel the cold air, and watch the sun come up. It makes me feel alive.
At 6 a.m., I'm in very deep sleep. If my alarm rings, I feel very angry.
I understand. Many people feel that way. But for me, the morning is my best time. I feel focused and productive.
I'm the opposite. In the morning, my brain feels like a slow computer.
That's funny. So when does your brain wake up?
Around 10 a.m., but at night, around 9 or 10 p.m., I have a lot of energy.
People like me are called early birds.
Yes, because birds wake up early.
And people like you are called night owls.
I like that. I'm a night owl.
Breakfast versus night energy. One good thing about being an early bird is time. I have 3 quiet hours before work.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Eggs, toast, and fruit. I sit down and eat slowly.
That sounds nice. I wake up late, rush out of bed, and drink only coffee.
That's stressful. Early mornings help you start the day calmly.
But nights are peaceful too. No phone calls, no work messages. It's my time.
That's true. Many people study English at night when the house is quiet.
Can a night owl become a morning person?
A little, yes. My tips are don't use your phone in bed, go to sleep 15 minutes earlier each night, and open your curtains in the morning.
Small steps. I like that.
And if I need to stay awake at night, I take a 20-minute nap and drink green tea.
Morning bird and night owl.
The world needs both early birds and night owls.
Yes, we all work at different times, and that's okay.
Now it's your turn.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Write your answer in English in the comments. It's great practice.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Timeless Tales English.
Both. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. See you next time. Bye.